Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today we are going to start ALGOR MORTIS, cooling of body. Cooling of body, ALGOR MORTIS, chill of death or postmortem cooling. ALGOR means cold, mortis means death. The body loses heat by conduction, convection and radiation and attains surrounding environmental temperature. As the body temperature is controlled by the hypothalamus, this homeostasis feature can no longer be maintained after death. Newton's law of cooling. The rate of cooling is proportional to the difference in the temperature of the body and its surrounding. Normally, it is rapid in first few hours after death and slow thereafter. This is called Newton's law of cooling. A plot of temperature against time is an exponential curve. However, Newton's law applies to the small inorganic object and does not accurately describe the cooling of dead body which has a larger body mass and irregular shape. The cooling of human body is best represented by the sigmoid curve when the temperature is plotted against time. Newton's law of cooling, temperature versus time. Normal temperature 37 degrees centigrade minus rectal temperature of the body divided by the rate of fall per hour in temperature. In tropical climate, the heat loss is roughly 0.4 to 0.6 degrees centigrade per hour, and in the temperate climate 1 degree centigrade per hour. This gives a rough estimate of the approximate number of hours after death. Approximate number of hours after death. This is the sigmoid curve, actual curve of rate of cooling of human body. This is the sigmoid curve or inverted S shape. The stages of the curve: temperature plateau or isothermic phase for 30 to 60 minutes. This is the isothermic phase, temperature is constant. Isothermic phase or temperature plateau. Then linear rate of cooling between 0.4 to 0.6 degrees centigrade per hour for next 12 to 16 hours. This is the linear rate of cooling. This is the linear rate of cooling. Then slow rate of cooling as the body approaches environmental temperature. This is the slow rate of temperature. In method of recording temperature, instrument, Thanatometer or chemical thermometer or thermocouple. Site, rectum is the best site for recording body temperature. Other site like ear. Place tip of thermometer on or through the tympanic membrane. Nose, probe or bulb must be passed up to cribriform plate. Trachea, making an incision in the front of neck. Liver, by making an incision in the hypochondrium and placing the thermometer along the inferior surface of the liver. Brain, by making a hole in the skull. Then mouth, then vagina. Common site for recording body core temperature is rectum. Ideal site to record body core temperature is the rectum. In sodomy, the rectum cannot be used to record body core temperature. Temperature at different sites differ. This is called torso cooling. In human, oral temperature ranges from 33.2 to 38.2 degrees centigrade or 92 to 101 degree Fahrenheit. Or rectal temperature ranges from 34.4 degrees centigrade to 37.8 degrees centigrade or 94 degree Fahrenheit to 100 degree Fahrenheit. In general, rectal temperature is about 1 degree higher than oral temperature. Thanatometer is 25 centimeter long, calibrated from 0 to 50 degrees centigrade, inserted at least 10 centimeter in the rectum, left for 2 minutes, at least 5 recording at half an hour interval. Then time since death is hour. Rectal temperature at the time of death minus rectal temperature at time body was found divided by rate of fall of temperature. This is the formula to calculate time since death. When the death is not due to hypothermia or hyperthermia, the rectal temperature at the time of death may be taken as 98 8.4 degree Fahrenheit. Decrease body core temperature start in 15 minutes after death. The curve of cooling is sigmoid or inverted S-shaped because of the some residual enzymatic activity and due to the retention of heat for some time. Due to residual enzymatic activity or retention of heat for some time. Henssge Nomogram for calculation of time since death. Average rate of fall of temperature in summer 0.5 degree centigrade per hour, 0.75 degree Fahrenheit per hour. Winter 0.7 degree centigrade per hour, or then time since death in hour, normal body temperature minus body core temperature, which is rectal temperature, divided by rate of fall of temperature. This is Henssge Nomogram. Factors affecting rate of cooling. The first factor is surrounding atmospheric temperature. The more the difference between the temperature, the more is the rate of fall of temperature. Then second, clothing. A body well covered with the clothes retain body temperature for longer time. Body built, a thin build loses heat rapidly. Media of disposal. The rate of cooling differs according to the media of disposal like atmosphere, in water or buried in the ground. 6. Female body have the more subcutaneous fat. Fat is the bad conductor of heat, so the female body cools slowly. Then air movement. Air movement causes acute fall of temperature. Manner of death. Death due to accident, acute disease, asphyxial death cools slowly but cools rapidly in the chronic disease and the wasting disease. Age or body surface area. Young and middle age person cools slowly, but in children and older person cools rapidly. These are the factors affecting cooling of body. Then medical importance of ALGOR MORTIS. This is for estimation of time since death. Early cooling of the dead body delay the process of rigor mortis development and the decomposition. Then postmortem caloricity. It is the phenomena where the body temperature of the dead body is rises or remains unusually high for up to 2 hours after death instead of falling. Mechanism of postmortem caloricity. The postmortem heat production is caused by biochemical and microbial activity in the dead body. It depends on the cause of death. Causes of postmortem caloricity. Whenever there is increased body core temperature at the time of death, the postmortem caloricity will be seen. Due to disruption of thermoregulatory system prior to death, like heat stroke and pontine hemorrhage. Due to excessive muscular contraction, like in tetanus or strychnine poisoning. Due to postmortem microbial activity like bacteremia, sepsis, infectious disease like cholera, malaria, typhoid. In burn, postmortem caloricity is not seen because there is no increase of body core temperature. तो बर्न के केस में पोस्टमार्टम कैलोरिसिटी नहीं दिखेगा, नॉट सीन बिकॉज देयर इज नो इंक्रीज ऑफ बॉडी कोर टेम्परेचर. बॉडी कोर टेम्परेचर नहीं बढ़ता उसमें, इसलिए बर्न में पोस्टमार्टम कैलोरिसिटी नहीं दिखेगा. Then important question related to thanatology. Loss of circulatory function can be detected by ALGOR test, diaphanous test, Magnus test, all of the above. Loss of circulatory function, all of the above. Suspended animation may be seen in all except newborn, drowning, partial hanging, heat stroke. तो partial hanging नहीं दिखता है, hanging में दिखता है लेकिन partial hanging नहीं दिखता. तो suspended animation not seen in partial hanging. Death is defined by which section of BNS 2023? BNS 2 subclause 4, BNS 2 subclause 6, BNS 2 subclause 8, BNS 2 subclause 10. तो BNS 2 subclause 6 is the definition for death in BNS 2023. Taken wire occurs in open eye after how many hours after death? So most commonly 2 to 3 hours. In the 2 to 3 hours when eye open, then they develop taken wire. The best body fluid for the estimation of time since death is vitreous humor. Then important question related to ALGOR MORTIS. Cadaveric temperature may be recorded by inserting thermometer 8 to 10 cm into rectum, deep into the oral cavity, into the gluteal fold, all of the above. Then postmortem caloricity may be seen in heat stroke, septicemia, tetanus, all of the above. Postmortem caloricity means a study of pattern of cooling after death, initial rise of temperature after death, heat production due to decomposition, rate of heat loss after death. Rate of cooling is more in all conditions except more free air movement, death from suffocation, buried without coffin, death from chronic disease. All are true regarding cooling of body except the curve of cooling is sigmoid shape. For the first 1 to 3 hours, rate of cooling is slow. In case of burn, usually postmortem caloricity, sometimes there may be initial heat gain. Ideal site to measure the temperature of dead body in suspected case of sodomy, axilla, mouth, subhepatic or rectum. Postmortem caloricity is seen in the following except strychnine poisoning, tetanus, pontine hemorrhage, trench foot. ये 7 क्वेश्चन का आंसर कमेंट में करना है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाएंगे तो इसका आंसर बताएंगे. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट अल्गर मोर्टिस. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट both for viva and theory paper. Okay, thank you for watching.